All right. 1800 2024 Algebra 1 with logs by Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. 150 questions. Video number 19. You need money right now. Walmart is open 24 hours. Great boss, great food, great work. But if you don't need money, don't worry about it. You got enough. Let's do the review. All right, to solve, find the zeros of this. We need to rewrite it first. 8x squared plus 4x minus 4. 8, this coefficient, 4, and negative 1. Put them in the quadratic formula. It's right here. Put the 8, 4, and negative 1 in there. So B's, letter B's are 4, 4. And then AC, A and C right there. Now, 4 squared means 4 times 4. That's going to be 16 plus 32. Oh, this is 32. Add them together is 48. But 48, look over here. 2 divides 48, 24. 2 divides that, 2 divides that, 2 divides that, and then 3 is left over. So 48 is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 3. Or 48 is 16 times 3. So substitute this with this. Now, this one, you can take the square root of 16. Yes, and the 3, leave it alone. Square root of 16 is 4. So now, factor this. 16 is 4 times 4. And then the 4's cancel. So you still have negative 1 plus or minus 1 square root of 3 over 4. 1, you don't need it there. Negative 1 plus or minus square root of 3 over 4. So the answers are negative 1 plus square root of 3 over 4. Or negative 1 minus square root of 3 over 4. The answer's right there. The 2 zeros. Okay? And sharks sleep at night, so you can always go night swimming, okay? In the ocean. All right. Find the zeros of this. First thing I need to isolate the square root of x. See the square root of x, bring it over here. So now square both sides. So x minus 30 squared. This one's just x. X squared minus 30x plus 900. So x squared minus 60x plus 900. Now, subtract x from both sides. So we have x squared minus 61x plus 900 equals 0. So now this factors into this two numbers. I'm going to tell you that's what it is. I did my calculator. So x minus 25 minus 36, this is 900, and together is 61, negative. So x minus 25 equals 0, add 25 to 25, x equals 25. X minus 36, add 36, 36. So 25 and 36 are possible answers. So I checked them. I put 25 there and there, the original problem. Did it work? That's 25, that's 5, and that's going to be 20 minus 30 is negative 10. No, bad. That doesn't work. But when I tried 36, 36 minus square root of 36 was 36 there, and square root of 36 is 6. 36 minus 6 is 30 minus 30 is 0. Yes, that one worked really, that was good. That one's good. So the only answer was what? 36. That's the only one, okay? So think of this as the zeros means like 36 minutes ago, the Texas shark was 0 feet from you. How's that? All right, find the zeros of this. Again, I'm going to use the quadratic formula. Those numbers right there. Okay, let me highlight them for you a little bit. There they are. That's where I got them from. So now, once I know that those are the numbers I'm using, let's use them. So put it in the formula. Quadratic formula. Put the numbers in there. And we have negative 21 squared, negative 21, negative is positive. Negative 21 is 441. And all these numbers together is 400. Add them together, you get to get 841. And the square root of that, you don't know what that is? That's fine, I'll show you. The square root of 841, so you can go second square root of what? 841? 841. There it is. Square root of 841 is 29. Okay, just in case you can't get it. All right, so now we have 21 plus 29, 21 minus 29 over 20. So that's going to give you 50 over 20, and that's going to give you negative 8 over 20. 50 over 20 is 10 times 5, 10 times 2. So that's just cancel out the 10s. So what's left over is 5 over 2. That's it. These are gone. Other side, 4 times that, 4 times that. And the 4s are gone. So what's left over? 5 over 2 and negative 5 over 2. Or negative 5 over 2 and negative 2 over 5. Yeah, that's it. 5 halves, negative 2 fifths. All right, find the 0. Same thing. Set it equal to 0. There it is. There's A, B, C again. I'm going to highlight them. You know where they are. A, B, C. And make sure you put the minus signs in there. So now, once I do that, well, you know what? Let me just highlight them anyway. Let's just do that. Just because it makes it easier. Now, once I know that those are the numbers I'm using, let's see. Put them in the formula. So negative 1 squared, negative 1 is negative 1. And this would be positive 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Nothing I can do is square root of 5. Decimal, no, leave it like that. So 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Those are the answers. This one, the graph. I will use a graphing calculator, and I'll set the windows at negative 10 and 10. and the scale is 1, negative 12 and 12, and scale is 1. Okay, set it like that. Put this in the calculator just like this. Once you put this in there, it will give you the answers. Okay, it'll give you this graph right here, and once you get the graph, go ahead and find the points, negative 4, 0, 0, negative 4, 0, 0, 0, negative 2, 4. You can find the graph, you'll find that. Now, once you get this graph, you're going to find out the domain, left and right, is negative infinity, infinity. The range is from negative infinity all the way up to 4. Okay? And the x-intercept right there, the y-intercept is also right here. Also, this is the max. This is the highest point, okay? And negative 2 up 4, that's the max, that's your vertex, okay? So, I don't know, think of this as you are 400 yards from the shore. Okay, I guess. And you are in the Texas Sea at 2:34 in the morning. And remember, sharks always sleep at night, so they're not going to bother you. Okay? Happy day. Same thing, graphing calculator, graph. Use it in the calculator. X squared minus plus 4x minus 12. Use the graphing calculator. X min is negative 10. X max is 10. X scale is 1. Y min negative 18. Y max is 18. Y scale is 1. Domain, left and right. Negative infinity, infinity. Range from the bottom, it's going to go from negative 16 up. Decreasing, it's decreasing right here. Okay. Increasing right here, going up. Okay. So x-intercept, the y-intercept, and this is also the min or the vertex of this. Okay. We'll put it in the calculator. Put it in your graphing calculator. Okay. So I don't think this is, the shark is 1,200 feet away from you. Okay, that's fine. And you are, where are you? At 2:38, you are 1,600 feet from the shore. Here's the shore, and you're here, and the shark's over there. Will the shark join you for breakfast or lunch? What do you think? This one. Again, use the graphing calculator. There's my windows. I set them up to those numbers. Put this in the graphing calculator. You're going to find out this graph goes like this. That's it. That's all it does. It doesn't go up here. It just goes here. Doesn't hit that. No x-intercepts. But that have a y-intercept. See? 0, negative 2. It has this number. And y, negative 2. That number right there. And the vertex is at 1/2 and negative 3/2. 1/2 and 3/2 right there. Okay? So the vertex or the max of this is 1/2 and negative 3/2 right there. Increasing, yes, up to right there. Stop. And then it's decreasing from here that way. Domain, negative infinity, infinity. And the range is from negative infinity to negative 3/2. All right. So now, example of this, you are 3.5 miles from the shore. Okay. At 2:31 a.m. on Saturday. Lucky for you, the sharks are 2 miles away. The sharks over here, they're 2 miles away. You're 3/2, negative 3/2, they're negative 2 miles. So you're safe. Find the quadratic function. Okay, so we're given 0, negative 1 a point, and we're getting 3 and negative 10 as a point. This is the vertex. So I'm going to set up this formula here. See this? Ax minus b squared plus b. X minus b squared plus c. So I'm going to know, I know that in 3 and negative 10. So put 3 in here. You should get a negative 10, right? So if I put 3 in there, I should get negative 10. So let's go from there. So let's see what we have. Let's go from here. So at 3, you put a 3 in there, you're going to get, you put 0. Let's see what I'm doing here. 3 is negative 10. Is that true? Let's see. So 3 is negative 10. So that means that this has to be a negative 3 in there. And then the 10's out here. Now, once you do that, put the x in there. Put a 0 in there for the x. At 0, we know that if you put 0 here, see this right here? You put 0 in there for the x, this is going to end up being negative 1 right here. See it? Now, 0 minus 3, negative 3. Negative 3 squared, negative 3, and negative 3 is 9. 9 to 9 is 81. A, see? Oh, no, not, I mean 81, sorry. 9a, this is 9a. So 9a minus 10 equals negative 1. So now what are we going to do? Add 10 to both sides. Boom, these are gone. 9a equals 9, divide by 9, divide by 9. So a equals 1. So now I know that f of x equals 1. Parentheses x minus 3 squared minus 10. So x minus 3, x is x squared minus 3x plus 9. Put this together. X squared minus 6x plus 9. And then 1 times this is going to give you x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 10. What? So f of x equals x squared minus 6x minus 1. That's the answer? Yep. So this point's right here. Put it in there. Gives you this answer at the end. Okay. Example: you are 1 mile from the Texas coast, and the shark is 10 miles from the Texas coast. See the distance. This one without graphing it. What? Find the max. Let's use the vertex formula. That'll tell us the high point, low point. So this is a negative, so it's up and down, so it is going to be a max. So negative b over 2a, negative b over 2a. There's a, b, c again. Again, a, b, c. Let me highlight it for you. A, b, and c. I got them from there, just in case you don't see where I get these guys from. There they are. So now, put them in there. Negative 18 over 2 times negative 3. Negative 18 over 2 times negative 3. Negative 18 over negative 6. Negative 18 over negative 6. That's going to be 3. F of 3. How do you find f of 3? Put it back in the original problem. So put 3 there, 3 there. So 3 is 9 times that. So it's going to be negative 27, 54, negative 3. This is going to give you 27 minus 3. So at 3, you're going to get 24. This is the max. So at the 3, you're going to go up what? 24. Okay. So 24 max units, whatever they are. Example is this. Let's say you go to dentist. And the dentist says, let's get it done. Come on. So you get the maximum medicine in your mouth before they start doing the surgery on there. So he gives you the shots. Now, after 3 minutes or whatever the time limit is, you're at the maximum right now. That medicine is affecting you now. So after 3 minutes, a painkiller in your bloodstream will be at the max of 24 units. Good. You don't feel any pain. So now, guess what? The dentist can take out your 8 bad teeth in 1 visit. Isn't that great? You are so lucky. All right. Oh, number 40. What? Okay, put this in the graphing calculator again. And I set my window to this numbers. Okay, put it in there. What's going to happen? You're going to get this graph. You're going to find out that the x-intercepts are right there. See, negative 4, 0, negative 3, 0, and 0, 0. Those are what's going to happen for these right here. Now, that's what's gonna look like that on your graphing calculator using this window. Okay, please put that in there. Okay, this is the way people drive when they're delaying a boat, going all over the place. Yes, and you can get tickets, of course, or arrested, of course. And if your blood alcohol is 0.08, go to jail. Your vacation at the Texas coast is over. Remember, Texas law, blood alcohol content is concentration is greater than or equal to 0.08. Go to jail. Okay. What? That's it. That's the end of the show. Again, after you do that, you know where we go. Surfing the coast, Padre Island, Mustang Island, or Hawaii, where we spend all our money. It's all gone. Put your Hawaiian stuff on. Or math monsters. Nah, we like them. They don't scare us. They're not math monsters. This guy's, it's still pretty scary. Still pretty scary. The 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 7. How about this one? 7, 7. Yeah, that doesn't scare us. This giant guys. Yes, Crunchy 1 and Crunchy 2, Crunchy 3, yep. Anyway, good luck. This is Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck, and your college algebra final review. Again, Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck, and your final college algebra final review. Bye.